This is a great day for us. We are celebrating the grand opening of our engineering and production facility, and we're also celebrating 50 years as Weidmüller USA in Richmond, Virginia.
It is with great pride and honor that I welcome all of you to this very special occasion. Today, we're not just celebrating a milestone, we're honoring a journey that began 5 decades ago with a vision and a commitment to growing the Weidmüller brand here in North America and the belief in people working together towards a common goal. To our employees, both past and present, especially those with 25 years or more of service, you're the heart of this organization. Your dedication, the resilience, and the passion have built the culture that we are so proud of today.
So this expanded site will allow us to respond quicker to customer needs. It makes us more resilient in this world. And actually, it's also paying into our strategy as a next step of producing in the region for the region.
We're not just seen as a European supplier here in the US, but we're seen as a local partner. That's very important, a local partner with global backings.
We're centrally located in the East Coast, and we can deliver our products within 2 days to 75% of the population of the US.
A 175-year-old company celebrating more than 50 years of operations in the United States of America, right here in Chesterfield, Virginia. That's amazing.
This momentous occasion marks more than just a physical investment and this amazing expansion, but it's also a symbol of the strong partnership we've built together over the decades. We're honored to support businesses that prioritize safe, inclusive, and growth-oriented workplaces.
Together, we will continue to evolve, lead, and make a difference in the world. And as we like to say here, make the world more orange.